Hold on,
Am I getting your way?
yeah, I'm gonna cut that. I don't do it like that.
I got
Yeah, I don't do it like that. I just cut every row. Break them out like that. It's so much easier. Yeah, once I cut down through this one, we'll be ready. Step on it. All right.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Gotta get these out of here.
I'm gonna lay them right here on this side.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Just get them out of the way. Well, he's got to do vacuuming and shit.
Yeah, as soon as I get cleaned up and everything.
Yeah, it's got to be cleaned up. A lot of cleaning first.
Yeah. All right. You know what I'm gonna do? Stack them over here in one spot. But pull it off the wall.
Yeah.
But I'm still taking the two before that. Off the wall.
Yeah, yeah. Yep. Yeah, I don't. That's the bad way.
Over there, you said? Or over here? I got you.
Coming this way, one straight line. Once we get our straight line, we'll go off a bit. Yep.
Take some of it.
And pull on it. Got it? Good.
chain here that had a nice little house, pretty big. Back there, that big around.
It's unusual to find a mobile home wall that sits on a floor joist, but we did on this one, so let's see if I can clean it up a little bit. Make sure nothing's in my way. Take my Harbor Freight toe kick saw, run it real tight down that wall, as tight as I can get it. And that's my next step right now. It's better if you have a sheet of plywood there.
You here talking to yourself again?
Obviously. Obviously.
That's strange. No light.
Huh?
No light in the range.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I thought they were range.
I think so. cool is that? I like that. Huh?
How close did you get?
Right, dead on the wall. Over. Right there, buddy. Oh yeah.
You ain't got no more to walk back in the house, do you?
No. Nope. Always happy when the blocking is finished.
About done.
Yeah, it's just about done. Got one more block to do. This thing has been blocked, and more blocked all the way around. It's been a long day cutting all this out. Got it cut back to here. Got that all cleaned up. We will add another 2x down through there. Got all the blocking in the outside wall down through here. That's double blocking, everybody. The reason why we put that double block in there is because we tie that block into the band of the outside of the house, and then we tie the blocks into the plywood that goes on the inside of the house, and that keeps everything tied back together. That's what does it. Tie it together, and then we just make our plywood as tight as we can to the wall. As long as we got blocking. Beautiful, Paul.
You help me pull this one up.
Pull it up. Do it. All right, guys. Getting ready to finish the installation down through there and get at least our first run installed for today. And we'll come back tomorrow and finish the installation and install the rest of it. If we can get all the way into there and some of that tore out, that'll be a good day. I'm done anyway. I say get it screwed down. Just move on. Move on to another day.